Hey all you cooks, we're doing something wonderful today, totally unique, especially you people that do cooking with cast iron. We're doing something that I do in the house a lot, but today we're going to do it outside in my Dutch oven. It's a 12-inch Dutch oven, and it is pork chow mein. And by the way, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Yes, we're not in Wyoming, we're down here in beautiful sunny Arizona. And what we have going on here first today is we are preheating our 12-inch Dutch oven. I put a little bit of olive oil in there, and we're gonna brown my pork that I've already got cubed. It's a pork tenderloin that I've already got cubed and ready here. And we're gonna go ahead and take the lid off. And of course it's a little breezy today, but I'm not gonna complain. Yes, my oil's getting nice and hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. And we have this fairly hot because I wanna brown this meat. Another one of these wonderful one-pot meals. So I'm going to put the lid back on this and let it build the heat up and brown this really nicely. So we've got briquettes on the bottom and we've got briquettes on top. So I'm going to go ahead and put this lid on here, let this heat build up, and keep checking it and stirring it. Okay, our pork is browning quite nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and put in, and this is about a medium yellow onion that's we diced up here, and fresh garlic we've diced, and some fresh ginger. Oh my goodness, that goes really well with this. We'll stir this all in real well, and we coarsely chop this. You know, you don't have to dice it real fine. And the next thing I'm going to add is a teaspoon of this wonderful pepper blend that we love to use. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of this in here. And this does have a little bit of a kick, which is great. We'll stir this all together and let this cook. Oh boy, this already smells wonderful. My goodness. Put that lid back on there and get some more heat created. Get it going here. While this is cooking, I wanted to tell you about our website. It's wyomingdutchovencooking.com, and if you go there, it's got a wonderful user's guide on the tips and care of taking care of cast iron. It's got a free recipe book that you can download and lots of wonderful spices, and that's where this one is called Alpine Touch, and it's made in Montana. We've used it for years. There's different barbecue sauces, there's cookware, enamel Dutch ovens, tables, all kinds of wonderful stuff. I hope you check it out. It's a wonderful, fun website. Okay, our meat browned nicely. Now I'm adding our vegetables. And what this is a medium-sized package of Cole Slaw mix. And then we thinly slice some red cabbage, some little bit of green pepper and red bell peppers. This is going to be a full pot. I can hear my husband talking to me. That's what I do. But this does cook down. This will cook down. We're going to put the lid on and let that cook down. And now I'm going to add a can of bean sprouts and a can of sliced water chestnuts. And about 2 cups of chicken broth. We'll stir this up real well, and you don't want to cook this real long because you like to have your vegetables crunchy. We'll just keep an eye on it and keep adding the briquettes as needed. Oh boy, is this going to be a wonderful meal. And what we love to do is we'll serve it over rice noodles or fluffy white rice, whatever you like to do, or you can just eat it without anything and just sprinkle some chow mein noodles on top. I bet you're wishing you could come over for dinner. Actually, I was wishing you could come over for dinner too and help us eat this. This is going to be one big pot. We'll have to invite the neighbors over. Okay, so that's stirred up real well. I'm going to put the lid back on this because our wind is kind of blowing today. and let this simmer for a bit. Wow, another wonderful one-pot meal created by Wyoming Dutch oven cooking. Look at this. Oh my goodness, are we going to enjoy? Of course, we're going to take it in and dish it up and serve it our favorite way. So we'll see you after a bit. Wow, look at this. Isn't this absolutely wonderful? And you know, you do not want to overcook your veggies. We like it crispy and crunchy. And actually, you get more nutrition that way. And what we did is, like I told you, you can either serve this over fluffy white rice, rice noodles. Rice noodles are really wonderful. Or like we're going to do tonight, we just served it in a bowl and we put some chow mein noodles on top. And the other thing that we love to use is, and it's by the Braggs Liquid Aminos. Oh my goodness, is it good. If you go to our website, which we hope you do, that you can also order that on there. And when you order things off of our website, that just helps us a little bit and gives us a little bit of kickback, and it helps support us. Of course, we love all of you subscribers that share and comment to us. We really appreciate the support. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Until we meet again, thank you.